there's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. I figured I would do a pretty short follow-up to the 500-pound lifting table or lift cart that I got from Harbor Freight a few months back. So end result is I'm very pleased with it. I don't have any real complaints other than it does leak down slightly when sitting with a lot of weight on it like this engine. This engine's probably around 325, 350 right now. And I found that if I leave it for 3-4 days like this, it would leak down a few inches, but I was using the stoppers and that seems to work perfectly well. So it's been really nice for doing this engine. I've got an engine stand, but I'm using it for another engine. And this was really perfect for doing Volkswagen engines. I didn't need to have a stand for it. I was able to move the engine around sideways when I needed to, and right now I have it longitudinally. But you know, you can raise it up. When I was sitting there working on all the components, reassembly and whatnot, I had it at its highest height. And of course today, later on today anyway, we'll be reinstalling this engine into the old 74 Super Beetle that I've been working on here for the last few months. So really kind of pleased with it. Did take the rubber mat off. That just kind of slid around. I really didn't find it to be too useful. And of course, as a result, the top of the table scratched up some. But yeah, overall, I'd give it an A+ or an A. I'll give it an A because it does leak down occasionally. But it's hard to beat something for this kind of price that can do this many things. Anyway, here it is. I'll show you a couple of still frames of the tabletop once we get the engine off of it. But I guess that'll do it, man. I will see you next time. Take care.